Hello everyone, welcome to Speak Vietnamese, Love Vietnam. In this lesson, I'll tell you the Vietnamese terms for shop, store, and restaurants. Let's start the lesson with shop and store. In English, we use the word shop and store for a variety of places selling goods and services. Basically, the word shop and store are just a difference between British English and American English. In Vietnamese language, we say cửa hàng. One more time, cửa hàng. Let's see some common places using the word cửa hàng.
Do you want to buy a toy for your children? If so, go to cửa hàng đồ chơi. Cửa hàng đồ chơi. And if you need to buy some medicine, let's go to cửa hàng thuốc. Cửa hàng thuốc. The pharmacy. If you want to buy a new glasses, go to cửa hàng kính. Cửa hàng kính. Need some laundry? Alright, let's go to cửa hàng giặt. Cửa hàng giặt. Do you have a sweet tooth and wanna eat cakes? Go to cửa hàng bánh. Cửa hàng bánh.
Notice that bakery shop and laundry shop also can be called as tiệm bánh, tiệm giặt là. Tiệm is an old word used almost as same as cửa hàng. Say one more time. Tiệm bánh, tiệm giặt là. Nowadays, almost all Vietnamese know the English word shop, but generally it refers only to shops selling clothes, shoes, and personal fashion items. Even my mom knows that word, and every time when I go back to my hometown, she will say,
Về nhà mẹ dẫn đi shop quần áo.
a place like Circle K can be called as cửa hàng tiện lợi. One more time. Cửa hàng tiện lợi. Alright, let's move on to the word restaurants. Native English speakers often use the word restaurants to indicate a place to eat. If it's casual and small, you call it a cafe or a small restaurant. In Vietnamese language, the word restaurants is nhà hàng. Nhà hàng. However, we have another word to describe a place which is casual, small, and cheap. It is quán ăn. Quán ăn. Let's see some common places using the word quán. Quán phở. Quán bánh mì. Quán nước. Quán trà. Quán cà phê. Quán beer. Nowadays, many advertising sites say coffee shop, cafe, so you can use this as the way you like and everyone still understand you. Vietnamese people frequently eat at quán ăn, especially for the breakfast and lunch. Only occasionally we eat at nhà hàng. Anh ơi, tối nay mình đi ăn ở đâu?
Có quán phở gần nhà ăn cũng được mà.
Anh quên rồi à? Hôm nay là sinh nhật con Thắp Thi nhà
Tôi thì ra nhà hàng ăn cũng được.
Thế chứ. Actually, now there are some restaurants, they call themselves as one to make their customers feel the cozy atmosphere like home. Let's see Raf's experience when he tried to find a quán ăn on the streets. Hãy xem bạn Raf cố gắng tìm quán ăn ở trên phố như thế nào nhé.
Chú ơi, gần đây có quán ăn ngon không?
Có, ở đây.
No, not the restaurants.
Alright, that's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and give me the comment below so that we can improve our videos more and more for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you soon in my next videos. Tạm biệt.